Well, in this vid, I'm just going to cover the military messaging plugin. So to install the plugin, we go to Settings, Install, find the plugin. In this particular case, we're going to be adding the messaging plugin, like I said. So we'll go down to the plugins, select it, open. It will appear down here. You will see a bit of an overview of what it is and that it's active or not, or you disable it. In this particular case, we're going to open it. The icons for the plugins will appear in this bar over here underneath some of the map. So for example, the grid functions, etc., that are located in here. I'll just turn that off. Close that. So we'll open the plugin. So there's the plugin open at the moment. As you can see, there is the different message types based upon whatever it is that we're wanting to create, whatever message. There's several hundred of them. Well, there's 151 reports in there, as you can see up top there. In the settings, we set what precedence is generally the default classification, etc., and who will get the message by default. So generally we can set as default the network. So remember, in Iris we have this ability to send to everybody within your network, or everybody in every network, or to a dedicated user. So we're just going to set the default as the network, and here we have the classification as required for the message. Here we can choose where we want to send saved XML or other methods of saving the message into a folder that may be used for pickup by other systems, or whatever that might be that you're after, etc. in that period. There's some basic test stuff, so we can show turn on and turn off audio alerts and visual alerts of when messages arrive, etc., of different precedences. So there's a routine, priority, immediate, or flash, and each has a different method of sound and visual aspect. So to compose the message, we select the message that we want to compose, and then we fill out the information as required in relation to that message. So there are set components within the message that are mandatory, and they are highlighted in with a star, for example, above. So for example, here the originator is required to be completed. I've got a draft one in a different location at the moment that I'm just going to send, just to show you what it's like to receive the message in the first instance. So I'm just going to send that to that node so you can see it, and this will be a standard unclassified routine message, and you can see that it says it's routine down here. So that because this window could be closed, and that it's arrived at this location, and we have one new message. Now we may send that as not routine. We may send that as a priority, for example. We'll just send a priority as an example of that. You'll now see it's a priority message, and we've got this alert down here because we could have the window closed. Somebody could be in chat, and we'll now send an immediate of the same type, and we'll see the immediate appears down here. Go back, we can open, and there's the immediate, and we can go and look at it as well. That's the concept of the receive side, and we can go in and look at whatever message that was sent to us, etc. at that time. It's nothing more exciting than that in terms of just making sure you complete the. And there's the validate here will validate whether there is any issues with the message before you send it, and you will see down here there are 3 validation issues at the moment with the message because it's not being completed. And here's where we can save it as a slash or an XML when it comes in or leaves. I think that's covered most of the messaging concepts that are related to this plugin. Thank you.